Hi guys, my name is Crowflix. Today we will be showing you how to create worn edges on like specific models. For example, here we're just gonna use a cube because cubes are normally used like in pretty much every model. But sometimes they're just edited to look even more cooler, like, oh no, it's a pistol. Yeah, it's nothing special. So basically, you just, if you have a cube, it's easy. So basically, what worn edges is like, if you got like a metallic object, like black, yeah, like metallic object, and once it's pretty old, the edges like start shedding the paint and color, and it just goes like whiter. For example, let me show you. It looks. It basically is a black cube with cuts along it. So basically, how to make this? It's nothing hard, it's nothing difficult, trust me. All you have to do is go enter edit mode with tab and press K for the knife tool and cut around the cube in any way possible. Like it really doesn't matter how. If you want to go like really big or really huge or really tiny, doesn't matter. It's just gonna look good. If it's and watch out for that. If you cut through a line, it's not gonna look as good, but I know how to fix it. I will show you it later. You can make any type of cuts. You can have it blocky or really triangulated. It does not matter. So basically you go through the entire cube like this and you make all the cuts procedurally to the very end. Sorry for that stupid Windows bing. And again, we're not again, we have finished the entire cube. You click on that vertice and press space to finish that cut. Now you've got this cut along the edge. What do? Well, nothing. Yet. You got this top layer, you cut that one as well, but not that it goes to the full end. You actually just go up to the end and then you go vertically 90 like degrees to the direction to the next wall. Sometimes there can be mistakes which you make just accidentally, you can't really notice them at some points.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
Oh, for example like that. And now you have to redo the entire cut again.
A few minutes later.
Make like some special shape right there. Click it and press space and you got it. And now if you got any problems you can grab the vertices and you can edit it. To make a cut, press Ctrl R and click on the line you wanna edit. Okay, right like that. If you want this make more sharper, just make it more sharper like that. There you go. Make it a bit smaller. Can absolutely do that too. Alright. So what do we do now? So basically now you do to the face select. And you select all of those faces that you have cut. your yourself that you have cut. It has to be very special cuts, just like that. Once you have selected all of them, you press Control P. You press Control P. Sorry, you click P, and you have separate, and you click selection. Right here, now it is a separate model, the cut that you have made. Now to make it even better, you add a different material to it, and you add a shine to it. Shine through changing the color in the diffuse. Boom. And you got a beautiful block, which is like kind of like scorched off on the top. But Crowflix, it's two different cubes. It's more vertices. Yeah, it's more vertices. It's two objects, but you can't just do. But you can indeed just select both of them and do Control J, and it's just one model now. Nothing on. So you got it like special, nice. But what is this for, and how do you make it like more better looking? Well, you can actually just make the more difficult way as well. You can go back into it and cut another line into it, which I never do because it is spectacularly difficult. But it is 100% possible. I'll show you how will that look. And right here, you connect it up with the second one. Just like that. And now what do? So basically now you select these top ones. And you do selection again, go to this one, and add an even shinier metal color. And you do the exact same on the top, just like this. Boom. And you select this face now. And you also click P selection, and you give it the shiny. No, not like that. And do a plus and give this one a shiny one. And look at that. Now, as you can see, even at the edges, it's more like lighted. Oh, like it has more lighting on the top. And it just, in general, looks even better. You can, eventually, yes, you can just fade it into it, but it will, that requires effort, but everyone who uses Blender is lazy. So they do it as fast as they can. And as easy as that. Once you got this, you can just select all and do Control J, and then you Control C, and then Control V, and then just rotate it any way you want. And put it on top. And boom, it just looks like they just smashed together. Like they just like hit each other. And that's what just made it so damaging. Look at that. Looks great. Even if you got like a magazine of a gun, of like a sliding gun, of like a pistol, the slide, this will still apply to it. Everything works with this, which is absolutely great. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a like, subscribe, and please share if you want to help out your fellow friends who use Blender as well. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode of Blender Tutorials. See you in the next episode of Blender Tutorials, yeah. Not stupid. And I'm not new.